Welcome to Jazz Bar, where the music is smooth and the drinks are even smoother. We're keeping it local, but we're sipping like we're global. If you're planning your next get-together or looking to impress your taste buds, tune in. This Clemen-Thyme Margarita blends citrus, tequila, and fresh thyme to bring the kind of flavor that turns your kitchen into the best seat in the bar. Let's mix it up. Salt on the rim. It's not just that it look pretty, it's the hype man, the co-star. It makes the tequila pop, tones down the citrus bite, and lets the clementine flavor sneak in with the little taste buds peekaboo. And let's be real, when the bartender rims the glass, you know the drink's about to be fire in the booth. Alright, go ahead and throw all the ingredients in the shaker. Cross-reference it in the description, I got everything listed down there. Now that we got all of that done, now let's get to the part that I would say is probably the trickiest and sometimes takes the longest, the garnishing part. Because let's be honest, man, we're all here for the flavor, it's important. But this garnish is what makes people say, ooh, yeah, that's before they take a sip. So it kind of gets them going, you know what I mean? So sugar on that clementine, and we torch it to perfection. I find every reason to grab a torch, man. And there you have it, that Clemen-Thyme Margarita. If you're vibing with this, hit that subscribe button for more cocktails, mocktails, tips, and good times. Until next time, keep it smooth, keep it chill, and keep shaking. Cheers, y'all.